Look how beautiful it is. Turning off the light. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Lexy Go and her father are with you now. Now we will conduct an experiment. Let's wait for sparklers. But before that, we will stick sparklers in all the items that are on the table, including Coca Cola and water. And also you can choose any of the letters of the alphabet. And we will attach a sparkler here. But be sure to write in the comments which letter we will choose for this experiment. And put at least 100 likes. The more comments with a certain letter, that letter wins. Getting started. You want to put it out. Well done. Let's start with Mandarin. We'll make a hole in it. We'll stick a sparkler in here. Are you ready?
Woo!
Look how beautiful it is. Beautiful.
Wow!
Stick it in there. We are already setting fire to it for the second time. We liked how it shone for the first time. Let's repeat it. Do you like it?
Yes.
Definitely, it looks more beautiful in the dark. The video with the experiments came out long and I decided to divide it into several parts. So at this interesting moment, we conclude this video, and the sequel will be released soon or may have already been released on the channel. So subscribe so as not to miss new releases.